Children, now let's do fourth sum from exercise 11.2. Here the question is, draw pair of tangent to circle of radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to each other at angle 60 degree. Here the question actually says the circle and there are two tangents drawn to this circle and they are inclined to each other by 60 degree. Now without drawing the tangent, how do we get the 60 degree? That's not possible. So what we'll do here is we'll draw two radius and then these two are supplementary to each other. So this will be 120. Fine, 120 plus 60. So first thing we will write here is 180 minus 60 equal to 120 degree. So we'll construct here 120 degree. For that use compass or you can use protractor also. With this point draw an arc this way. Here first cut will be 60 and your second cut will be 120 degree. So here this angle is 120 degree. Now we will draw tangent at the ends of this radius. For that take compass, any radius, measurement, arc, first cut, second cut, from first cut top cut and from second one this way. Now through this point let it touch at this, it will, so extend the tangent here, then later on we'll name it. Do the same thing over this side. For this side you can turn the page, either you draw arc up this side or both, anyway it is okay. From here this measurement, the arc can be any radius, but once you start do not change the radius. So this way. Now from here with this point draw such that and extend it both the side. Let these two tangents meet here. Now name, let the circle be center O. You can name this as P and Q. Name this as R. When you measure angle PRQ, it will be 60 degree. As mentioned in the question, it will definitely be 60 degree. You can measure that. So how to start the question? Whatever, if it is 60 degree, 180 minus 60, here 120. If they give you 75, then 180 minus 75, here 105. So that way you start your. So do be clear about that the tangents are inclined to each other. And read question, if the radius are inclined to each other at 60 degree, so you need not take 180 minus 60, directly take here 60 and work out. So do read question carefully. Okay. Now fifth question. Question says, draw line segment AB of length 8 centimeter, taking A as center, draw circle of radius 4 centimeter, and taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeter. Then construct tangent to each circle from the center of the other circle. So AB I have drawn here, AB of length 8 centimeter. Now we need to draw here one circle A from as taking A as center with 4 centimeter radius and B one more here. So measure in compass and draw circle of 4 centimeters and 3 centimeter. When you add 4 and 3 is 7, there will be 1 centimeter gap in between this. Now according to question, we have to draw tangent to this circle. Say this is C1 and this is C2. From B to C1 tangents has to be drawn, and from A to C2 we have to draw tangents to this one. So one thing just make clear, when you have a circle, and some point, external point P. So imagine C1 here, and for a moment ignore this circle. B will be your external point. We always do the same step here. Join OP, and then we draw the perpendicular one circle where they intersect, then we join this way. So same thing we are going to do over here. First we'll bisect AB. The perpendicular midpoint. You need not worry about the perpendicular whether it comes inside or outside the circle. It will be 4 centimeters, exactly half of it. So with AM or MB as the radius, draw one more circle C3 here this way. Now mark the points where here this is C3, this point, and this one. You can name it as P and Q. So first we will draw from B to C1 tangent PB and QB. PB and QB are the tangents from external point B to C1. Same way you can see here, this C3 and C2 intersect at these 2 points. Take X and Y. Now join AX and AY. AX and AY. So final conclusion, you will write here PB and QB are tangents, required tangents, you can make it, tangent from point B to circle C1, and then write AX and AY are tangents from point A, that is center A, to circle C2, from A to this here C2, circle C2. Here we complete our 5th sum. Now for the 6th sum, you need to understand the question and we'll split up this and work out. So let ABC be a right triangle in which AB is 6 centimeter and BC is 8 centimeter. Angle B is given 90 degree. So we will do this much first. Here BC. So I'll make this as BC. BC is 8 centimeter. BC, because angle B is given. So we'll construct here 90 degree at B. Draw one line, and here it is given AB is 6 centimeter. So measure 6 centimeter from here, cut an arc so that this is 6 centimeter. Then join, this is AB. Yeah, this way. So we get a right angle triangle which is 90 degree at B. Now moving on with the next part of the question, we will here see BD is perpendicular from B on AC. We will go for the second step. First we constructed triangle with the given dimensions. Next to look here, BD is perpendicular from B on to AC. That means from B we have to draw perpendicular to AC. Now look here, where to draw? We have to find out 90 degree here in between. Perpendicular means no particular point available for us to join D. So for that we will see. Check out this point. Keep compass at B to draw the perpendicular. Draw a small arc so that this way it will intersect AC at 2 points. You can increase a little bit the radius. From here, this point where it cuts, from here one arc, and this point one more arc, and then join this one. Yeah, this point will be 90 degree and mark this point as D. I hope you got it. Here just keep the compass here and arc from here this way. You'll get a perpendicular thing. After drawing perpendicular, now read next part of the question. We finished the first part, drawing a triangle. We finished BD is perpendicular from B on AC. We draw BD perpendicular on AC. Now for the third step here, the circle draw. We have to draw the circle through BCD. Now this is the main thing here. Look, we have to draw a circle such that here the circle should touch BCD this way. So for that what we'll do, see this is 90 degree. That means if I draw a circle, it should come semicircle this way and continue as a circle. So then BC will become diameter. So we will bisect BC here to get the midpoint. Too many arcs you will get, do not worry about it. Now perpendicular to get the midpoint of BC. This one M. Now adjust, take here, look for 3 points all. Your B, M or M, C should be the radius, but give one check, it should be exactly all should fit on the circle. Yes, it does. So continue, draw this one circle. Now here this step also is done. The circle through BCD is drawn. So we draw the circle BCD, circle through BCD, and we'll name this circle as C1. Construct tangent from A to this circle. See, construct the tangent from A to this circle. Now please to understand, look this circle, if I draw it here and center for this one, BC, A falls outside. From here center is M here. Just now we used to draw, we will always join this one, isn't it? We join center and the external point, then we bisect this part here and draw one more circle so that where these two intersect, then we'll draw the tangent to it. So imagine just ignoring all the part, circle, center, external point. So what we'll do, we'll join this line here. A treat A as an external point to this circle, join AM. So now, as I told you here, perpendicular bisector of AM. So now draw perpendicular bisector of AM. So keep one time attempt nearly more than half of that. So one arc up and down. When I say up and down, so it should be in front of AM and back of that side. So drawing the perpendicular here this way. Do not worry if it intersect the other lines. Now here. So we get here midpoint, you can name it as N, with AN and NM as radius. Draw one more circle. here. Now you can see, just focus only on circle C1 and C2 where they both meet. Look at this point, circle C1 and C2 intersect at this point, and at BL only they are intersecting. So the tangents will be tangent to the circle C1 from point A. Look, from here extend this one through AB only, you will extend it. You can name here as X, and then one more from here Y. So you can make out AX and AY are the tangent to the circle C1 from external point A. I hope you remember this, and this technique will help you to analyze this sum properly, to understand the sum properly. Okay, please do leave your message or comment.